Hey everyone, this is our Georgia Bulldogs wireless doorbell. Pretty cool little unit. The button that goes on the outside doesn't require any batteries. It's completely waterproof, so never had to do anything with this. It's really a cool little unit. We have the song already installed on it. It plays 35 seconds of it, and that's it. That's when it stops then, so it's not a big deal. It plays quite a bit. But you can change the sounds to it if you want later. But I'm going to play a small clip of it, but you can listen to the sound file down below.